Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Today's topic is about like benefits of yoga.
Yeah, yeah, right. Benefits
Looks
of
like
yoga.
we already discussed about this topic before, I think.
Ah, right. Actually.
Completely, but we discussed part of it previously.
Okay.
So just one, open the document. Like, what are the benefits of yoga according to you?
Okay, benefits of yoga. So if I explain it, this is also a very useful like a exercise, and there is many benefits, not a single. There are many benefits, and not a single. And if I talk first, like keeping concentration, like focusing. If you want to focus something, so for that, the person who is doing yoga particularly, so it is very easy to concentrate somewhere. Also for your health, for your immunity, for your brain. To if like if someone have like any issue regarding their brain and something, so if he or she can start to do practice, so definitely the result will come. So it is also useful for that. And and other than, I think for keeping flexibility, then also useful for flexibility, for moving like your posture. Like your in a yoga there is meditation as well. So if you are doing meditation, so very easily you can do any work in an easy way, because meditation, it means focusing and concentration power, and it increases to do this. I think it is also, so there are many kinds of use benefits.
To be frank, like today I started yoga after a gap, after 1 month, and suddenly I saw this topic today. It was
Oh.
like a coincidence.
Right.
So,
So
I think that yoga is
what's your experience, because today you started, it means you are also
no,
yoga practice.
I was doing it before. I learned it like 10 to 15 years before, but I'm not regular. I will not do it on a daily basis. I will give a gap for some time and again I will. That is why I'm not very consistent.
Yeah, actually, I'm also not a regular.
That is
I
why
can
whatever I do, I will not do it regularly. I will be like very irregular.
happen.
So
It
I'm trying to
happens.
become consistent.
Okay.
But I find it very helpful. Relieves your stress and it will
This is,
increase your concentration power. It's
yeah,
very
it is very helpful.
so. So why do you think the yoga is very important?
Yoga is very important. I think because nowadays environment is so polluted, and if we want to save ourselves, so there is only one way, that's a yoga practice. And because if you are gonna take medicine and all, so these are the things that can reduce your disease, but not for a long time. But if you are doing yoga, so I think definitely you will see a huge transformation in any regarding any disease. So that's why it is very important for our life.
So what is the significance of yoga when it comes to Indian culture?
Yeah, when it comes to,
Indian culture,
oh pardon.
like Indian culture, like what is the
Okay.
significance of yoga in India?
Indian culture. First of all, this is a very ancient tradition. That's I think now it is again relevant. And meanwhile, I think sometime it just disappeared for a while. But now again it is relevant, and every people and they want to do it because and most of often I think after this pandemic, the people they are completely aware about this benefit. So everyone now they want to keep themselves uh, you know to save for any other disease, and that is why it's a really a good way to keep yourself safe in this polluted environment. And this is in our Indian culture also. This is there is a Vedic period in previously. So from there and it is started, and till now again it is uh, you know prevalent in our society, and that's also I think important.
Exactly.
It is a the root of yoga. It started from India, so that is why it is the most I can say most important thing that where yoga is started. So this is India. This is from India. So that is why this is the one. This is a unique thing from our Indian culture. That's something that started from our country.
And uh, comes to like anything, like always like envy our neighbors. We always envy our neighbors. Like even if you have a brand new car, if you see like another car in neighborhood, we'll see that one is better. Always feel the grass on the side is good, right? So likewise, yoga is getting famous in other countries rather than India. Correct. Foreign countries started doing yoga very much before Indians started doing yoga. So what do you think?
Because I think it is most prevalent in other country than here, and that I think one reason because everyone want to adopt the another culture, and I think that's the reason. We in India, people they wanna adopt the foreign culture, and they are I think till now they are just following them. And like this the foreign country and other country they are following our culture, and I think they are so much attached with our culture because they are like yoga, and not only yoga, some other things like Sanskrit and all. These are some things, Sanskrit and Purana means our culture, whatever in ancient time, it is not so prevalent in our society, in our India, I think, but it is most prevalent in other country, and they are gaining knowledge from that, and they are also making themselves more stronger. And because these are the things you can make yourself strong. Something always in our I think in our ancient whatever has written by the Purana and Veda, and some these things start like yoga. So these are the unique thing that still not started by any other one, any other I can say country. So that is why no match of these things.
Exactly. Like countries are taking good things from India. Foreign countries are doing good
Uh,
things. Okay.
yeah, tell
But
me.
am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Uh, Sometime your voice is cracking.
Because I think you are in a place where it is a noisy environment.
Yeah, behind I think.
So what I was telling is like many countries are taking good things from India, like yoga, correct. But we are taking bad things from other countries, like pizza, burger, and Western culture. Things we used to practice. Correct.
Right, but this is just for influencement I think. We are influenced from them and they are influenced from us, and it is the thing going this thing is going in a way, but no one I think gonna define it what is good and what is bad. They are adopting the culture which is good for them, and we are adopting the culture and the things which is not good, much good for us, and in somewhere they are this is harmful for us.
Yeah.
and but I can say they are blindly people are following
Correct. Exactly.
without any pros and cons.
Do you think any uh, okay, yoga is bad? Do you think yoga leads to some kind of injury or something?
I'm sorry.
Do you think yoga will lead to some kind of injury or something?
No, no, I don't think so. There is no any harm. If you have any issue regarding a serious, I can say severe disease, there might be some problem. So you should avoid the hard yoga. But otherwise, it is always be fine for everyone.
Especially when it comes to yoga, we have to start it gradually. We should not directly go into the
Yeah, directly.
physical exercise, right? We should start gradually and we should reach the higher level of flexibility.
Right, right. Because everything take time, so it also take time. If you are gonna start initially, you have to do some easy steps and then go ahead and do high stuff.
But there is always a fight between yoga and other exercises. Like if you do yoga, you will not physically build up, you will not get some muscles and other stuff. But if in weight training, you will gain some lot of muscles and weight, lot of muscle. So, what is your opinion about that? Like,
My opinion is that it is okay, and even you have good muscles and everything. But yoga, what is importance of yoga? There is no match from other exercises because it is strong you it makes you strong somewhere internally. So internally your immunity power increases and you are gonna be stronger than other. And because okay, you have a good muscles, you have a good body sometime, but definitely you will have some issue regarding your health. But I think I'm sure about that. If you are doing yoga in a right way continuously, so definitely always you are away from the severe disease. And that is why, because internally you are so strong than others. Yeah. So these are the things like making muscles, building, and that. So these are the things for your, for showing you off in society and all. But yoga, this is for yourself. This is only for yourself. Keeping you to make the decision, what which kind of decision that other people can't take, you can take
yeah,
because you have a different power.
exactly.
You have a different thinking. So by the yoga, you can get it.
That is true. That is true. So, the physical exercise is just for the outer body, right? But
Yeah, this is only external
exercise for internal organs as well as it is the exercise for body as well as mind.
as well as mind.
Both things will get developed because of yoga.
Yeah, sure.
So, what is your opinion on other exercise like running or cycling?
Yeah, yeah, it is also good, like running. So it's amazing. I can say, amazing exercise. Like because if you want to be a police officer and want to be any soldier, so running it is must for you. You should know. So this is also, and also for your health, for your body, and making you active. So if you are running and are doing this exercise, so you are be active than others. So this is also good exercise.